Hello guys, welcome back to literature classes. This is Abhilasha Yadav. Guys, today we are going to discuss the very important part of grammar, that is voice. Guys, there are two voices. In the transitive verb has two voices. First is active voice and second is passive voice. Guys, what is this active voice and what is this passive voice? These things are asked in the exam. They give the sentence and they say that convert it into passive or convert it into active voice. So how can we convert? How can we understand that it is a sentence given in active voice or the sentence it is given in passive voice? How can we know this and how can we convert this? So guys, these things we will discuss in the video. We'll learn all the rules. How can we convert it into the passive voice? So guys, without wasting much time on this discussion, let's get started. Guys, first of all, I want to tell you that if you don't know about the tenses, if you do not know how to translate the sentences or what is tense, present tense, past tense or future tense, so you cannot understand what is voice. To know what is voice, how can we convert a sentence into active or passive, we must know tense. What is? We must know tense, present, past and future tense. If you don't know, go to my channel and search the videos related to tense. I had uploaded so many videos related to tense. After learning tense, you can understand what is voice and how can we convert the sentence from active to passive. So guys, what is voice? A transitive verb has two voices. A transitive verb has two voices, active voice and passive voice. Okay, when a sentence has subject plus verb plus object, it is a sentence given in active voice. For example, he is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. Guys, you are seeing he is a subject of the sentence. He is the subject of the sentence is a helping verb. What is this? Is an auxiliary verb or you can say helping verb. This is an auxiliary verb. Okay, this writing is the main verb. Writing is the main verb and a letter is the object of the sentence. Object. So, subject, verb and object. When a sentence has subject, verb and object, in this sequence, so it is known as active voice. Okay, guys, a form of a word which shows that subject does something. Here he is writing a letter. Subject is doing what? Writing a letter. So this is a sentence given in active. What is passive? Passive voice is what? When a sentence is given with this rule like object plus verb plus subject. Object is worked as subject. How? See, he is writing a letter. This is a sentence is in active voice. If we convert it into passive voice, how can we convert object? We will take first object. So what is object? A letter is an object. A letter is the object, a letter is being written by him. So here object is working as subject. A letter is the object of the sentence and it is working as subject in the sentence. Then verb, okay, this is helping verb and this is main verb. Then object, which is working as, this is the subject in the sentence and here it is working as object. So passive voice is given in this form: object, verb, then subject. Before subject we add by, okay, by plus subject. So in this way we can recognize that this is active voice and this is passive voice. If a sentence has subject plus verb then object, it is active. If a sentence has object, verb, by plus subject, so it is passive voice. How can we convert it? See, next sentence, Bhavna is singing a song. Bhavna is singing a song. So we can convert it into passive voice how? A song is being sung by Bhavna. Okay, done. A song is the object of the sentence. I told you subject work as object and object work as subject. Here a song is being sung by Bhavna. A song is the object of the sentence, object of the active, and here it is the subject of the passive. Okay, next, the students are watching the match. Guys, please convert this into passive. The match, this is the object, so we can take from the match. The match is being watched by the students. Okay. One thing you are saying that being, I am adding in every sentence being. Why? I'll tell you this also when I'll make you understand the present continuous tense convert into passive, then I'll tell you this, the rule of being also. Okay? See the next sentence, he has washed the plates. He has washed the plates. Here the plates is the object, we can make it as subject, the plates. Then we have to add verb. So has, the plates has been washed by him. He is the object, here he is the subject, here he is the object as him. Okay? Guys, one thing you have to remember that in active and passive voice, we have to see the sentence, in which tense the sentence is given. And according to the tense, we have to convert the active sentence into passive. So, according to the tenses, first we will understand what is present tense and how can we convert the sentences of present tense into passive voice. So, what is present tense? How can we know that this is the sentence of present tense? So, when a sentence is like subject plus present tense means simple present tense. Simple present tense, the simple sentence of the present tense is given like subject plus main verb in the first form MV1 plus S or ES, then object. Okay? And when we convert this into passive voice, then passive subject. Passive subject in the sense object of the active sentence. Okay? Then auxiliary verb. Which verb? Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb like is, am, and are. Okay? Then main verb will be in the third form. Every sentence which will be converted into passive voice, that will be in the main verb will be in the third form. Remember this thing, that we have to add any sentence, we have to write the main verb will be in the third form. Then passive object, it means subject of the active. Okay, how can we convert this? See the sentence, Neha makes a noise. So you can recognize that this is simple present tense. How? Neha, this is a subject, then makes, make, made, made. Make is the first form, MV1, then S or ES. So here makes, S is also added with the first form. A noise object. So we can say that this is the simple present tense. How can we convert? Passive subject. Passive subject means object of the active. So a noise, then helping verb or auxiliary verb. What is the auxiliary verb of the simple present tense? Is, am, and are. So here a noise is. Then main verb will be in the third form. So made, make, made, made. Here a noise is made. Then I forgot, by plus passive object. So by Neha. Okay. A noise is made by Neha. A noise is made by Neha. Understood this? The next sentence, children likes sweets. Children like sweets. Here sweets is the object. So we can take out the object first. Sweets. Then likes, main verb plus S or ES. It is S. So sweets is, why is? Because this is a simple present tense. So sweets is liked. Why liked? MV3. Okay. Sweets is liked by children. Sweets are. Why are? Because sweet is plural. Sweets are liked by children. In this way, we can convert the active sentence into passive. See the next sentence. We respect him. Here, him is the object. We can make it as subject. So, he. Then, helping verb. What is the helping verb? Respect. So, is. Why is? Because it is MV1. So, it is simple present tense. And we have to add the simple present tense helping verb. So, he is. Then, main verb in the third form. Okay, because it is passive sentence. So, he is respected by we. So, the object of we is us. He is respected by us, or you can say he is respected. Both the sentence will be correct. By us. He is respected by us, or he is respected. Both sentence will be correct. See the next sentence. Ajit does not help me. Does not help me. We can make it as me is the object of the sentence. So, me will be converted into I. I, helping verb, am not. Why not? Because the active sentence also has not. So, I am not helped. Helped. So, I am not helped by Ajit. Okay? Correct? Next, Neha does not complete her work. So, we have to start from the object. Her work does not, so is not. Her work is not. Complete, completed. Her work is not completed by Neha. Understood this thing? So guys, I think all the rules will be clear to you. Okay, let's start the practice. How can we make the sentence? Okay, read the sentence and convert it into passive. Ashish loves chocolate. So how can we make this sentence into passive? Ashish loves chocolate. Chocolate is the object, so chocolate. Then helping verb, chocolate is. Why is? Because it is simple sentence, simple present tense, and the helping verb of simple present tense is am. Chocolate is loved by Ashish. Okay? Understood? Next, boy loves animals. Please try to convert it into passive. Boy loves animals. What is the object? Animals is the object. So animals. Then helping verb is animals है तो are. Animals are loved. Why loved? MV3. Animals are loved by boys. Okay. Next, Rekha takes coffee every morning. So here what is the object? Coffee is the object, not every morning. Understood this thing? Coffee is the object here, not every morning. So coffee is takes. So is taken by Rekha. Then rest of the sentence is every morning. Got it? See the next sentence. She washes the plates. She washes the plates. What is the object here? The plates is the object. Then washes is. Why is? Because washes. S or es is added. So is. The plates. Plate is plural. So are. The plates are washed by her. Get this? See the next sentence. Shweta does not answer all the question. It is the negative of the active voice. So we'll make the passive negative sentence. How? All the question is the object. So all the questions is plural here, so are. All the questions are not answered are not answered by Shweta. Done? So guys, all the rules have been done, and we have also practiced how to convert the sentences. Still you have any queries or any doubts related to simple present tense, active and passive voice, you can ask the questions and I'll definitely answer you. That's it for today. I'll meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.